Okay, so how does it work? You post videos, you get followers, and when you reach 10,000 followers or more, for every million views, you're gonna get $1,000. So eventually you have many clips going viral and you could start bringing in the cash. Have you ever seen an account that only has 50 or 100 followers and yet has 30, 40, 50 quality videos uploaded? I have never seen it on TikTok. When you log into an account and they only have 50, 100 followers, they usually only have 2, 3 shabby movies posted. If you post a video once a day, preferably 2, 3 times a day, of quality content, stay in one niche, and you do it consistently, you will gain 10,000 followers, which will make you eligible for the creative program on TikTok. Okay, so the first requirement to join TikTok's creative program, you need to live in the US, UK, Japan, France, Brazil, Germany, and Korea. So if you don't live in any of those countries, sorry, but you do not qualify. So assuming you live in one of those 6 countries, the next step is you need to get 10,000 followers to your TikTok account. Once you have 10,000 followers, the next requirement is that your videos be at least 1 minute long. That's why, if you noticed, many videos are 1 minute and 1 second long, because people are trying to qualify those videos in the creative program to get paid for views. Next requirement, you need to pick a niche, and that's what we're going to talk about a lot today. How to find your niche, and how to basically, you need to pick a niche and you need to stick to that niche. And the difference between copying and being inspired, and how to do research and to basically use other people's inspiration, but you cannot copy and paste, because one of the requirements in the creative program, they state clearly that it needs to be original content. So if you cannot just copy and paste clips, but rather they're gonna check and you need to have original content. Now about choosing your niche. Since you're gonna be making videos every single day, you want to choose something that you know about, or that you want to learn and know about, and that interests you and that excites you. And when the audience sees the videos, they know that you know about what you're posting and you're passionate about what you're posting, and therefore it'll come across by the videos you post. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna search the niche that you like, and you're gonna bookmark the clips that you like. Another shortcut is that if you have TikTok already, why don't you scroll down your saved videos and look if you could find a general theme, a general video, a general topic that you keep on saving. Why? Is because you're interested in it, it's catching your eye, and you would be best off getting involved in that niche. So why don't you right now go to your TikTok, look at your saved videos, and try to notice if there's a certain video that you keep on saving because it's catching your attention. Right there, you might have just found your niche. Okay, so once you find your niche, you want to write down the hashtags that those clips and videos are using. Another thing you want to do is you want to look at that niche and see which videos are performing best in that niche, and we're going to talk about exactly how to do that if you don't know a little later. But basically, research that niche and see which videos are performing best. You also want to see which accounts are performing best in the niche that you're choosing, and you want to pay attention to those accounts. Okay. Step 3, actually creating the video. Okay, so let's say you choose to make an account about AI news, AI current events, AI tools and software. So what you would want to do is basically you're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to write a script. The script should look something like this. Write a 75-second viral script about, let's say, AI. Make sure the script is interesting and engaging with a good hook. The script should hook you in within the first 3 seconds. The script should only include the narrator's voice, not the editing or stage directions. Do not include an intro or outro, and do not include a summary. Now, for any video to go viral on TikTok, it's going to need to have a 70% attention span, meaning 70% of people have to complete the video or watch through at least most of the video. Otherwise, it's not going to push it and it has no chance of going viral. So number one, the first 3 seconds, I cannot stress enough how important it is that the first few seconds of the video grab your viewer's attention. This test is to test it on yourself. Would you watch such a video or would you scroll past it? Okay, so the images have to be clear. The sound, the music has to be clear. Within the first few seconds, you want to have an edit that grabs the viewer's attention. Another thing, I highly recommend that if you don't want to put yourself in the video, at least put your voice in the video, exactly what I'm doing. It really matters to authenticate and give your channel an authentic feel. Another thing you could do, which will save you issues with copyright, is to clone your own voice into an AI voice, and therefore it sounds more authentic even though it's an AI voice. By cloning your own voice, now you have your own authentic original AI voice because you're cloning your own voice. And now you want to take and copy and paste that script and make with it an AI voice using 11 Labs. Okay, now a big trick you could do with your video to get people to view it and engage it is to what I call tricking the druids. It's basically do something a little controversial. Make a video on a topic that's a little controversial. Do something that grabs them, that's going to cause people to comment and like the video. You want your images to change every 1 to 3 seconds. Yes, that's a lot, but this is TikTok and people are thirsty. Attention spans are short and you need to change images at least 1 to 3 seconds. Add zoom transitions, keyframes, and effects. Now you're going to want to go into CapCut and add captions that flash every 1 to 3 seconds. You don't want to have 10-20 words coming on the screen at the same time, but you want something basically that flashes the words very fast and it makes it look cool and riz. Now you can auto-generate captions, and afterwards make sure to go over it and fix any spelling mistakes. Now you're going to want to add trending audio. Now a big mistake people make is they just put some random music in there, and music with even that has lyrics in it while you're talking, and you basically have music with lyrics is a bad idea. You want to choose a trending sound, a trending music without any lyrics.
Yo, this next mix goes out to the homie Price.
¿Qué horas son, mi corazón? Y City en New York.
You want to post shorter form content to basically get followers hooked in and to get followers to start following your channel fast. And then later you want to up your game and post longer form content and better quality and longer form content. But in the beginning, it's okay to start off with only posting short form content. Another tip is to gain a following on TikTok is make believe you're talking to one person and one person's problem and offering one person a solution. And before you know it, you'll have thousands of people that are relating to this same issue. It's a huge shortcut that people should do. Another mistake people make is that they focus on the algorithms and they do not focus on the people that are watching your video. At the end of the day, it's people that are watching your video. If you make a good video and people are going to watch it, the algorithms are going to pick up on it and push it. Not because the algorithms like it, but because the algorithms realize that people like it. So therefore, when you make a video, yes, you have to use titles and hashtags that are appropriate. But the main thing is, when a person watches this video, does he like it? Is it interesting? Is it engaging? And then the algorithms will automatically push it. It's as simple as that. These days, TikTok really likes family-friendly content. If you're doing things that are really crazy and controversial and adult-rated, it's going to be much harder for you to go viral. It's just a fact. Okay, now here's a little trick to find a niche if you're still not settled with your niche. A big trick is to basically go to the burgers menu, roll down to the studio, and you could check what's trending exactly in each topic. Don't look into the camera or don't start a video saying, "What's up TikTok? How's it going TikTok?" But rather talk into the camera or have your AI voice talk into the camera as if you're talking to an actual person. One more piece of advice. Have you ever seen an account that only has 50 or 100 followers and yet has 30, 40, 50 quality videos uploaded? I have never seen it on TikTok. When you log into an account and they only have 50, 100 followers, they usually only have 2, 3 shabby movies posted. If you post a video once a day, preferably 2, 3 times a day, of quality content, stay in one niche, and you do it consistently, you will gain 10,000 followers, which will make you eligible for the creative program on TikTok.